After the passage of 27th constitutional amendment in Pakistan, Pakistan's military will become Pakistan military's command will see a lot of important changes. First of all, the office of Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee is going to be abolished. Although it was having just a ceremonial status, and now another command is going to be created in the army, and this command will be called Command of National Strategic Command. That will be called Commander of National Strategic Command, and he will be looking after controlling and managing the nuclear and the missile technology, the nuclear and the missile assets. So that is, apart from that, a very important office is going to be created, and there will be always a 5-star general and will be called Chief of Defense Forces. Unlike Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, this Chief of Command the Defense Forces will be controlling all three are the Defense Chief, the COAS, the Naval Chief and the Army Chief. So that is great news indeed. And after that, as for the current Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir is concerned, he is going to be given a constitutional status after the passage of this 27th Amendment, and he will be able to wear the uniform throughout his life, get all the benefits, all the protocol, and no litigation will be allowed against him according to the constitutional position. And if somebody wanted to change it, any of the government or the next government wanted to change it, what will they have to do? They do have to introduce another constitutional amendment reversing what happened here in this 27th constitutional amendment. I think in keeping in view all that, the safety and the security and even the great status of Syed Asim Munir has been secured. I think at the moment he is really serving great.